Today we're here to ask and answer one simple question. How do you set up a Ryder 1 crypto wallet? Let's find out. First things first, guys, we're going to come right over here and we are going to tap Get Started. Once we do that, it's going to bring us to this screen. What would you like to do? Set up a new Ryder 1 wallet. Next, it's going to say, all right, let's get started. We're going to create a wallet, and then it is going to have us name our wallet. For simplicity, we're just going to use my name, Jay, and hit confirm. Now it is going to ask us to power on our Ryder 1 wallet. I know some people get confused with this because there's no buttons anywhere on this guy, but if you take a look right down below over here, there is a little sensor. We're going to put our finger on the sensor. For whatever reason, if that does not power on the device, throw it on the charger that comes in the box, and it should turn on within about like 10 to 20 seconds. So next, what we're going to do is unlock this wallet by pressing that same sensor. All right, next it is going to bring us to this screen on our phone right over here. Turn on your Ryder 1, which we just did, and we're going to hit continue. Next, it is going to have us take the device and put it at the top of the phone because that's where the sensor is. If you have a different device, it might be in a different spot like the center back, but we are going to do this with the phone right now. It would help if I hit pair Ryder 1, and we're going to put it near the sensor. Perfect. Next, it is going to have us choose a passcode on your Ryder 1. So we're back on the Ryder 1. We're going to hit next, and I'm going to create that code now. All right, and we're back. Next, we are going to hit the next step. It's going to have us create our wallet, so we're going to do that right now. Cool little lighting effects on the side. Perfect. Next, we're going to hit next step. And then back up your wallet on a recovery tag. We're going to hit back up. There we go. And then we have our little tag right here. It comes with one in the box. If you need more, you can always get more through their website. So I'm going to place that on the back. Cool. Back up on your recovery tag, hit next step. Then hit back up wallet on a paired phone. Hit back up. I will say this, the touchscreen can use a little work. All right, now we're going to come back to the phone. I have chosen my password. Hit next step. And then it's going to say, do we want to create the wallet? I have confirmed I am creating my wallet. And then back up your wallet tag. We did that as well. So next it's going to say back up your phone wallet. So we're going to hit back up now. And then again, put the device at the top. All right, now we are going to tap Access Wallet, My Wallet, tap Safe, Settings, turn off. All right. We will save to the iCloud for now. We'll hit Allow, and it took my face. There we go. Jay, you are all set. Access My Wallet. And here we go. And there you have it, guys. The Ryder 1 wallet is officially all set up. I'm going to go and get the updates done on this, play around with it a little bit, and then we'll take a look in a later video on how to stake cryptos and other things using this wallet. Alright guys, so hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment, take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you have a blessed day. Peace.